Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you guys how to get My AI on Snapchat. So Snapchat recently released an AI that is called My AI, and when you talk to it, it's just an AI like ChatGPT, except it's on the Snapchat app. And they're currently releasing it to everyone, so I'll show you guys exactly how to get it in this video today. But first things first, I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like actually on the Snapchat app to see if you already have it or not. So if you head over to the Snapchat app, then when you head over to your messages, it should be the number one on your messages. So once you go into the Snapchat app, just click on your messages button. It'll bring you over here. As you can see on the top of my chats, there's My AI, and it'll be some random avatar if you haven't changed it, but the name will be My AI on default, by default. So you can go to your chats and check if you already have it or not. But if you don't have it, then this is what it's like. So it basically is just an AI like ChatGPT, like I said before. You can just ask it whatever you want. You can just send random messages to it. It's obviously not very good AI because it isn't very developed at all. But as you can see, it does respond immediately to your messages, and then it'll ask you questions and stuff, but it is very robotic. But if you want to get the My AI on Snapchat, then the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your app is actually all the way updated. And you can do that by heading over to the App Store or Google Play Store and searching for Snapchat. And then once you search for Snapchat, you're going to want to make sure that it's all the way updated. And you can check that by once you're searching for Snapchat. If you go to this button right here, it should say open. If it doesn't say open and instead says update, then you want to make sure they update it real quick. But other than that, there's not much you can do except wait, because Snapchat is currently releasing My AI to everybody. So if you don't have it yet, they'll eventually release it to you. You can try contacting support and asking them to give it to you early. But other than updating the app and contacting support, there's not much that you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.